Oh, Riquizo, sorry. 7 seconds shot clock. PM, largo. Largo dito. 5. Last shot. 4 seconds shot clock. 4. Inbound by largo. PM, dito. 3. And the 65 sir. Sumalo. Tokiro offensive rebound. Yes. Nice offense by Tokiro. Inbound by Biao. Controlling the ball. Foul. Number 9. Mr. Gabito. First personal foul committed by Mr. Gabito. Third team foul. Inbound by Mr. Miao. Miao number 30. Pass to Mr. Poslano, the scoring machine of this night. Team Rata Salata. Buanoy. Dragon Balls. Sa ilalim. Drive pass to Largo. Oops. Pushing. Foul. Number 10, Mr. Largo de Rizzo. Oras. Size 20.